Welcome, and thank you for joining me on this journey to better health and longevity. In today's video, we're exploring our today's topic, how to create the perfect morning routine. Drink, a doctor's guide for energy after 40. Let's take the first step toward a more vibrant, healthier you. As you step into your 40s, hormonal changes begin reshaping your body and energy levels. Energy levels plummet while unwanted fat storage increases, especially around your midsection. Your morning routine holds the key to unlocking vitality and reclaiming your health. Imagine transforming your mornings into a source of energy and wellness with every drink. Scientific insights reveal the astonishing impact of your choice of morning beverage. Let's delve deeper into how the right drink enhances hormonal balance and metabolic health. Proper hydration each morning combats fatigue, focus issues, and midday crashes. A simple, refreshing drink of 8 to 16 ounces of water kickstarts your day. This morning drink becomes pivotal for energy maintenance, combined with nourishing nutrients and adaptogens. What if you could craft the perfect drink to supercharge your mornings? Exploring the science of aging shows your body's energy production relationship deepens annually. Did you know your metabolic rate decreases by 1 to 2% every decade after 20? A shift in body composition occurs with age, impacting hydration levels and energy retention. Understanding these shifts can empower you to make informed choices about your health routine. Effective hydration and metabolic support are essential for your morning drink after 40. Hormonal fluctuations during this life stage lead to changes in energy and mental clarity. Do you often feel fatigued? You're not alone. Over 20% of women report morning fatigue. The right morning drink can support hydration and deliver vital nutrients for hormone regulation. Adaptogens like ashwagandha play an essential role in balancing stress and energy levels. Your brain's efficiency drops as dehydration sets in. It's time to take charge of hydration. Even slight dehydration can severely impair cognitive functions, including memory and attention. So, what crucial ingredients should make their way into your morning energy drink? Electrolytes form the foundation of cellular energy and are key for vitality after 40. Minerals like sodium and potassium regulate fluid balance, impacting your energy levels dramatically. Adding magnesium and calcium completes the essential electrolyte mix for optimal function. Protein components are vital for preserving muscle mass and maintaining strength as you age. Research shows timing morning protein intake boosts muscle growth more effectively than later. Antioxidants are paramount, reducing inflammation and combating age-related diseases gracefully. Adaptogens enhance your morning drink with targeted benefits for energy and mental clarity. Crafting your perfect morning drink involves a delicate balancing of hydration, nutrients, and adaptogens. Consistency is vital. Observe and adjust your drink based on your unique health needs. Elevate your wellness journey. One morning drink at a time, power your day with vitality. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, small steps each day lead to lasting vitality. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, longest life. See you in the next one.